Well, a very good evening to you all. I hope you're all fine. It's Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, and we're here to take a look at the weather situation for the UK over the next 7 to 10 days. Well, we'll start with the here and now, and it's probably fair to say that the UK is split in two at the moment. Very mild and wet across many parts of England and Wales. Temperatures as high as 13 degrees in some spots. Cooler towards the northwest with a cold front that's pushing southwards. And I think by the end of the night, that cooler air, colder air will be pushing all of that rain and wind out the way. So tomorrow for the UK is a dry, fine and sunny day with scattered showers across the north and the west, and that air just about cold enough for some winteriness over some of the higher ground across northern Britain. By Friday, it's all change again. That cool northwesterly breeze of Thursday will be pushed out of the way. The winds will be backing more into a westerly direction. And once again, we look towards the west for Atlantic weather fronts that will be pushing across the UK throughout the course of the day. It starts its journey across Ireland in the morning, reaching the east of the UK by the afternoon and the southeast by evening. After that cold and frosty start in the east with temperatures close to zero, temperatures eventually responding, getting up to around about 10 degrees for many parts of the UK. On Saturday, it's a fairly similar day. We've still got low pressure well in control. We've got a run of fairly stiff westerly breezes blowing across the UK, but relatively mild on Saturday, especially earlier in the day. But with time, those breezes once again will be starting to veer into a more westerly and then a northwesterly direction, ushering in cooler air from the west. But yeah, I think really the situation for Saturday is that of a lot of cloud, outbreaks of rain and drizzle, cooler, brighter weather with showers reaching the northwest later. Sunday is a different day. We've got low pressure then by this stage over Scandinavia. We've got a run of cold northwesterly breezes. Sunshine and wintry showers is the order of the day. These showers most prevalent across the north and the west of the UK. But some of these showers will be pushing towards the Midlands, to the west of the Pennines, parts of Northern Ireland as well, because the breezes will be quite strong, possibly gales across Scotland on Sunday. Temperatures cool on Sunday, peaking at 4 degrees in the north to 7 in the south. By the time we reach Monday, the 23rd, once again, the next Atlantic weather system starts to push in. We lose that cold northwesterly wind of Sunday. Less cold, milder air on Monday. Rather a lot of cloud. Temperatures responding after again a frosty start in a few places. Really, then the situation from the 23rd through to the 25th is for a lot of very mild air, potentially as high as 14 degrees in some eastern parts of the UK. Rather a lot of cloud. We're going to be bringing in a tropical maritime southwesterly air mass across many parts of the UK. So, yeah, rather a lot of cloud, mainly dry across eastern parts. Always the risk of drizzle on the western upslopes and more generally across Scotland and the far north of the UK at times. Right, as we move forward from Christmas into the new year, what's likely to start happening now, and we've really started to pick up on a new trend, high pressure to the south that's going to keep us very mild over Christmas, is going to start to move northwards across the UK. So, what we're likely to see is a situation whereby we all start to become drier. It does, however, remain rather cloudy. I'm not anticipating much in the way of sunshine. It's likely to be rather a lot of anticyclonic gloom. But what we will be finding day on day between Christmas and sort of around about the 28th to the 29th, under this area of high pressure, we're going to start bringing in the risk of overnight fog, and daytime temperatures as a result will slowly start getting suppressed. So whereas we start the week, or the Christmas period very mild, those temperatures edging back to around about average by the time we reach the 29th. The exception to this will be Northern Ireland and Scotland. I don't think this area of high pressure is going to get far enough north to influence things there. So I think you're always going to be on the periphery of this high pressure area. So rather a lot of cloud, mild air, always the risk of rain and drizzle. Now, a long, long way off, looking towards the new year, there are some tentative signs of pressure wants to rise over the Greenland area, linking up with our area of high pressure over the UK. But it's a very, very weak signal at the moment. A lot of the model runs are then, pointing towards the continuation of this zonal mild flow. But Yeah, the jury is still out for New Year. So if you're in, if you're looking for colder weather, that is potentially the time that things could change. And by this, I mean that if we do get high pressure over towards the Greenland area, we get this trough of low pressure over Scandinavia. As a result of it, we could be opening the gate to a much colder northerly breeze and potential wintry conditions for the new year. One to watch. Okay, I'll be back again in a couple of days. Hope you've all found the forecast useful. In the meantime, have a lovely day, have a lovely evening, look after yourselves, and ciao for now.